Hello from the city of Killeen. I'm Janelle Ford, catching you up on all things Killeen for the next 2 weeks. Today kicks off National Preparedness Month. Be on the lookout for videos and flyers all month to help keep you safe in case of a disaster or emergency. And don't forget Labor Day. On September 6th, city offices will be closed. Also, all Monday and Tuesday routes for trash collection will run 1 day late. Enjoy the time off. The 20th anniversary of the September 11th attacks will be commemorated nationwide. There are no special events hosted by the city, but the Killeen Independent School District will host its annual Freedom Walk to commemorate the lives of those impacted by 9/11. Join them at Ellison High at 9 a.m. on September 10th. Bring your wheels down to the Special Events Center for a tire recycling event on September 18th. Residents can bring up to 4 tires from 8:30 in the morning until 1 p.m. And don't forget, we have free pet adoptions every weekend at our animal shelter on Commerce Drive. Come give our furry friends a forever home. Make sure you join us on all of our social media platforms for the city of Killeen. Thank you for joining us for Good News Killeen.